If the AC system or blower fan in your 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape stopped working, don't rush to replace the compressor or blower motor yet. Check these key fuses and relays first, starting inside the cabin, then under the hood. First, head inside to the passenger compartment fuse panel, located under the instrument panel on the passenger side. Start with fuse 15. This 10-amp fuse powers your main climate control module. If your AC control panel won't light up or respond, check this fuse first. Right nearby, check fuse 37. This is another 10-amp fuse for your climate control system functions. Then check fuse 45. This 5-amp fuse provides electrical logic to your front wipers and triggers the blower motor relay signal. If it's blown, your fan system won't activate properly. Now pop your hood and open the engine compartment fuse box on the driver's side. Locate fuse 12. This is a 40-amp high-power fuse that delivers main power directly to your blower motor. If your vents have zero airflow on any fan speed, check this one right away. Right next to it, check Relay 21C. This is your main blower motor relay. You can swap Relay 21C with a matching non-essential relay, like your rear defroster relay, just to test if it's working. Now, if your fan blows air strong but it won't get cold, move down to fuse 13. This 10-amp fuse powers the AC compressor clutch. Finally, check Relay 20. This is your AC clutch relay, which triggers the compressor to lock up and pump cold air. If fuse 13 is intact but the compressor won't click on, try swapping Relay 20 with a matching non-essential relay in the box, like your reverse lamp relay. If cold air starts blasting, you just solved the problem.